You have likely heard the term right to work when discussing labor laws and paychecks. Let's break down exactly what that means for employees. Right to work is a legal designation that changes how employees interact with labor unions in their specific state. More than half of the United States currently operates under these laws, though the rules vary significantly depending on where you reside. The main point is that, in these states, you cannot be required to join a union or pay dues as a condition of your employment. In states without these laws, unions and employers can agree to contracts that require all employees to contribute to the cost of union representation. Statistically, states with right-to-work laws often see lower rates of union membership compared to states where mandatory dues are permitted. Remember that these laws do not impact your right to be hired or fired, but rather your obligation to support a union financially. Understanding your local labor laws can help you navigate your workplace. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check your state labor department website.